In this video, we'll see how the Copy Structure option can be used to copy sites, lists, libraries, and other types of structural elements of your SharePoint environment. Using this option, copying your environment's structure is possible with or without the content. This offers you many options, whether it's moving to a different environment or version of SharePoint, moving from development to production, or simply to provision a new site, just to name a few. The first thing you'll be asked to do is connect to your source. It can be a single site, web application, or an Office 365 environment. You'll then do the same for your destination. When connecting to a web application or Office 365 SharePoint Center as a destination, you'll be able to copy an entire site collection from source to destination. ShareGate takes care of creating a new site collection during this process. Navigating in the site collection will allow you to copy sites, lists, and libraries from one site to another. Same thing goes for content types, site columns, SharePoint groups, permission levels, workflows, and manage metadata. Whenever you choose to copy a site, a list, or a library, ShareGate copies all dependencies such as content types, list columns, and manage metadata. Need to map certain things? It's easy. Click on the Mappings button and open up the Mapping Options window. You can map users and groups from your source to your destination to make sure everything works as intended. In many cases, you might need to map site templates used at the source with new ones at the destination. This way, a blog site, for example, could become a publishing site. For a site template to show up in the list of mapping choices, it must be created in the corresponding environment you want to use it in. So make sure you create your own site templates beforehand. Once you've selected the items to copy, ShareGate displays two options: Copy Now and Advanced Copy. The Copy Now option starts the copy right away. It runs the migration in automatic mode, meaning that ShareGate will fully run the migration and not prompt you each time it comes across an error. It also merges the source and destination objects with the same title, preserves custom permissions from the source, copies the web parts from the source, its workflows, custom forms and views, its subsites, if you are copying sites, and most importantly, it copies all the content of the lists and libraries from the source. On the other hand, Advanced Copy gives you the power to select, more specifically, what you want to include during the migration. It also allows you to modify the title and URL of your objects at the destination. This way, you can fully control your migration. The Advanced option also gives you two different operation modes. The Automatic mode allows you to preset ShareGate's behavior in case there are items from your selection that already exist at the destination. You can either copy and replace them, not copy them at all, create a duplicate, or copy only if the one at the source was recently modified or created. The Manual mode means that ShareGate will prompt you every time it sees an existing item at the destination. In the Advanced Copy window, you'll also find the Precheck Report option. The Precheck helps you detect possible issues during the copy and adopt some of the best practices to ensure that your actual copy runs as smoothly as possible. Once you've selected your copy options, click on the Run Precheck. ShareGate will start scanning your source to find and display any potential problems. Similar issues are grouped together, and individual ones can be viewed by clicking the row items. Furthermore, each issue group includes a How to Solve link you can click for information to help you resolve them. In the end, ShareGate will help you with whatever SharePoint structural element you're looking to copy, and you can do it the way you want it to be done.